Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 9X Pro, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can apply screen protector on this device. At the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see a very mess on the screen, because we have to clean it very good, and after that we will put the screen protector. But before applying the tempered glass, you have to remove this foil from the screen. This one, and the easiest method is to do this with a fingernail or just with other thin object. You have to insert the bottom underneath this foil, and then you have to leave it away from the screen. But in this case we are not going to do this because this is the test phone, right? But the entire the entire applying process is the same for the foil as without it, so don't worry about that. So at the first we have to grab our tempered glass, the box with tempered glass, and open it, and inside you can find of course the tempered glass, and also you will get here the wipes, wet and the dry. It looks like that. At the first we are going to use this one, and also sometimes you will also be able to find the stickers into the box, and they are for removing the dust from the screen. So when you clean the screen with these wipes, after that if you get some kind of the dust on the screen, you have to use this sticker and just take it off like that. But in my case we don't have it, so we can also remove the dust from the screen by using the wipes, and I will show you how you can make it. But at the first let's focus on the cleaning our screen, and as you can see right now it looks not that bad, but we have to dry it. So let's get the second wipe. You have to make the gestures like in the circle. Let's put it on the other side. Okay, and right now it looks really good. Here, for example, you can find the first piece of the dust, so we have to take it off by making something like that. And the same with the upper section of the screen. So if you take off everything, you can move to your screen protector, and at the first you have to take off this foil, so making like that. As you can see here we got some kind of a problem, right? This sticker is, is not sticking to the foil, right? So what you have to do in this case, you have to put your nail underneath this foil. It's here, as you can see, and you have to take it off right now. It sometimes happened. It's not very expensive product, it's very cheap, so sometimes something like that happen. And right now you have to take a look last time on the screen, and some pieces of the dust pops on the screen, so we have to take it off. And right now we can focus. So we have to keep the bottom part and put on the screen the upper section of the tempered glass. So let's put it maybe like that. Okay, I think that right now it looks good. We have to keep holding the bottom part, as you can see. I'm gonna put it a little bit on the right side. Okay, and right now we can try to put the bottom part also. And as you can see, we can press with our finger, keep holding the bottom part, and now just put it like that. As you can see, it's not that good, so we have to leave this protector, don't worry about that. Just leave it a little bit, and we are going to make correct. If something goes wrong, don't worry about that. You can lift this screen, don't worry. Okay, and then let's put it a little bit higher, maybe like this one. Okay, right now it's better, so we can put it another time. Start with the upper section of the screen, just make something like that. And we can put the bottom part also, and you'll see that it goes almost automatically. Right, we can press with our finger to take off this air from the screen protector. And right now we can grab this second wipe and clean that screen. And right now we can try to turn on our screen, and as you can see, that's how we can put the screen protector on your Honor 9X Pro. I hope that'll help you, and if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!